guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Reena.MayyBeauty, if you didn't know already. So I'll be doing a little review of these products that I used on this makeup look here that I've done, and yeah, so let's get started. So obviously I'm going to start out with what obviously stands out the most is the gold eyes here. So for that I did use this new product that I got, which is by Dome Cosmetics, and it's a 24 karat gold eyeshadow, and it's like a mousse eyeshadow, so it is really lovely. And then it's 24 karat gold. And if I just open it here, obviously I have used it, but it is literally like a mousse. I'll just swatch that for you guys. So I've got a bit on my finger here, and literally it is literally amazing, especially going on the lid as well. It's so smooth, so creamy, literally like a mousse. And next up I'm going to review these beautiful lashes. These are mink lashes, and these are by Love London Lashes. Love London Lashes. So we've got a few of the same styles, and because I absolutely love this style. It's called Birthday Girl. Absolutely amazing. Adored. For my highlight, oh, it's absolutely amazing. As you can see, it is flawless highlight. I love it, and it's by Estate Cosmetics, and it is literally perfect. It was literally like this, and it comes off like that, and that's how bright it is. It's literally amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I use this literally all the time since I got it. I've been using it for like a couple of months now, and it is literally flawless, as you can see. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other questions or anything about whatever I'm wearing or in my previous videos, just send me a comment or a message or anything like that. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.